Did you know there's a part of your body that keeps destroying itself and rebuilding again and again every single week? It's happening right now, inside you. Your stomach has a secret regeneration ability that even scientists still find shocking. Let me explain. Section 1. What's happening inside? Your stomach is filled with one of the strongest acids found anywhere in nature. This acid is so powerful, it can dissolve bone and melt the food you eat into liquid. But there's a big problem. This same acid could easily destroy your stomach itself. So how does your body survive it? Section 2. The shocking part. Your body has created a genius solution. Every few days, your stomach grows a new protective lining. Yes, your stomach replaces itself again and again non-stop, like a built-in auto repair mode. Old cells die, new cells take their place. This cycle keeps repeating. So your stomach never gets burned from its own acid. Section 3. Why it regenerates. Scientists discovered that more than 200,000 cells in your stomach die every single minute. And if your stomach didn't constantly rebuild itself, you wouldn't last very long. This regeneration keeps digestion working, keeps the acid inside, and protects your whole system. Section 4. Little mystery. Here's something even crazier. No other organ in your body regenerates this fast. Not the heart, not the brain, not even the liver. Only your stomach works at this insane speed. And we still don't fully know how your body controls this cycle so perfectly. Outro. So next time you eat something, remember, your stomach might be only a few days old. Your body is doing miracles quietly, every moment.